Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the reserve map and turning on herd management. Do it now so data tracks. Next, pick the species and scan the herd size. Mark a dominant animal to follow. Then place 1 to 2 food lures or rations at a tactical distance, 50 to 200 meters from likely spawn points. Once set, make sure to save the waypoint. This creates a controlled attract zone and begins herd movement without disturbing animals immediately. You now guide the herd by approaching downwind and watching the wind indicator. Stay hidden. Use binoculars to monitor reactions, and alternate short calls with silence to avoid spooking them. The herd HUD shows agitation and cohesion. Once the group or lead animal responds, move a few meters and pause to let them settle. Make sure to employ scent blocks or cover scent when you close to 30 to 80 meters, because persistent odors will scatter the herd and reset progress. You finish by steering the herd toward a holding area or waypoint, using food to anchor their movement. Keep calls minimal as you close. When herd density peaks, proceed with capture, tagging, or a guided shot. Time it during low agitation for success. If animals flee, don't chase. Back off by 150 to 300 meters and wait 10 to 20 minutes to let stress fall. Then re-engage more slowly, adjusting wind and scent control to prevent repeat scatter.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.